Hi everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hi my dear friends, it's been your TSM from Makitech. Hey guys, here is the OnePlus Nord mobile phone. So the thing is guys, I was today just finished the results. I have just finished the testing on the battery department. So after seeing the results, on the one hand side, I was very impressed with what the company make in this mobile phone. On the other hand side, I was little bit of disappointed. But anyhow guys, before I talk more, I want to show you this video. Let's get started. Hi everyone, this is TSM from Makitech. Hey guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. So guys, the thing is, here is the OnePlus Nord mobile phone. So today I was interested to do the battery testing on this mobile phone. So right now the battery left in this mobile phone was just 1%. So once the battery completely went off, I was going to do the battery testing from 0 to 100%. And also keep in mind, for every 10 minutes I was going to read the temperature. So finally the battery has been completely went off. So once let's check the room temperature. The temperature of the room was 34 degrees centigrade, whereas the temperature of the mobile was 34. Yes, the temperature at the front side was 34. So like the temperature at the back side was also 34. That's a great. The room temperature is 34. The temperature on the mobile was 34 degrees centigrade. So like that, and also let's check the temperature of this wrap charger. Whereas the temperature of the wrap charger is 34 at the back side. So usual the temperature is 34 degrees centigrade. So anyhow guys, whereas the mobile phone and this wrap charger was maintaining the room temperature. So finally I have just started, the charging has been started, the stopwatch has been turned it on. So it's been nearly 2 hours I have been charging the device. So anyhow, the battery percentage was right now 5%. So anyhow, I was going to turn on the mobile right now. So the mobile was booting up. So well guys, it's been 5 minutes. I have been charging this mobile phone. So let's check the battery percentage is 8% right now. So my dear friends, it's been nearly 10 minutes. Now it's time to check the temperature and the battery percentage of the mobile phone. Right now it was charged 15% in 10 minutes. So let's check the temperature one more time. The room temperature is 34, whereas the temperature on the mobile phone reaches up to 37 like that. So at the back side, the temperature reaches up to 37, 38. The highest temperature was 38 at the back side. So well, it's been nearly 15 minutes. Let's check the battery percentage is right now 25%, and let's check the temperature once. Whereas the temperature, the front side is 38, the back side also the temperature reaches up to 38, highest temperature. Well guys, it's been nearly 20 minutes. So right now the battery percentage is around 33%. So one more time, the room temperature was 34 like that, whereas the temperature on the screen is 37, whereas the temperature at the back side was 38. It reaches highest temperature. So well guys, it's been nearly 25 minutes. So right now the battery percentage is 44%. So let's check the temperature once. So the temperature at the front side reaches up to 39 degrees centigrade. The temperature at the back side also reaches up to 39 degrees centigrade. So well my dear guys, it's been nearly 30 minutes. So let's check the battery percentage. So battery percentage is around 51%, whereas the temperature of the front side is 38 degrees centigrade. The temperature of the back side is also around 38 degrees centigrade. So well guys, it's been nearly 35 minutes. So right now the battery percentage is 58%. The temperature at the top side reaches up to 38 degrees centigrade, whereas at the back side the temperature reaches up to 38 degrees centigrade. So well guys, it's been nearly 40 minutes. So right now the battery percentage was 65%. The temperature at the front side was 37 degrees centigrades. The temperature at the back side was 38. It reaches the highest temperature 38. So well guys, it's been nearly 45 minutes, so the percentage of the battery is 74%, whereas the temperature at the front side is 38 degrees centigrades. The temperature at the back side was 39. It reaches the highest temperature 39. So guys, it's been nearly 50 minutes. So the battery percentage is 85%. The temperature at the front side reaches up to 39 degrees centigrades, whereas the temperature at the back side reaches up to 39 degrees centigrade. So well guys, it's been nearly 55 minutes. So the battery percentage was 95%, whereas the temperature at the front side reaches up to 39 degrees centigrade, whereas the temperature at the back side reaches up to 39 degrees centigrade.
So well, finally guys, the battery has charged up to 100%. Just to stop the stopwatch. You have seen that it takes nearly 59 minutes 28 seconds to charge this battery from 0 to 100%. At the front side, the temperature was 38 degrees centigrade, the highest temperature. The back side, the temperature was again 38 degrees centigrade, which was very good. And also guys, let's check the temperature of this power adapter, whereas it comes with 30 watts warp charger. So anyhow, let's guys check the temperature. Whereas the front side comes with 48 degrees centigrade nearly. At the back side, the temperature reaches up to 46 degrees centigrade most probably. Over here, the temperature was 31, 41 fluctuating. So in this area, the temperature reaches up to 37, which was normal. Only at the back side, the temperature reaches up to 46 degrees centigrade. So well guys, here is the mobile phone, which will take 59 minutes to get 100% test.
And also finally, the next thing what makes me something interesting in this mobile phone was the thermal management. Really guys, the thermal management on this OnePlus Nord was seriously absolutely excellent, because while I was testing this mobile phone, charging this developed phone from 0 to 100% test, the temperature of the mobile phone is not even reaches up to 40 degrees centigrade. The temperature was just below 39 degrees centigrade only. That makes me really interesting in this mobile phone. But whereas we know that here is the warp charger from the OnePlus Nord, whereas it can support up to 30 watts this warp charger. I also checked the temperature, whereas initial temperature of the room before testing this device was 34 degrees centigrade. So at the time when I was checking the temperature, whereas the warp charger and also mobile phone, the initial temperature was 34, which was equal to the room temperature. But finally at the 59 minutes, the temperature of the mobile phone just reaches 39 degrees centigrade. But whereas the temperature on the power adapter was somewhat high, whereas at the front side it was around 41, 42 like that, whereas the temperature at the back side of this power adapter reaches up to 46 degrees centigrade, which was normal. We should not consider it, just leave it. So finally, before ending this video, my dear friends, to charge this OnePlus Nord from 0 to 100%, it talks nearly 59 minutes 30 seconds. Probably it takes that much of time to charge the device to 100%. So I was pretty happy. As I told, I was impressed with the battery percentage also. I was impressed with the thermal management of the mobile phone. That's it guys in this video. If you have any kind of specific question, just let me ask in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. And also guys, very soon I was going to provide the complete review of this OnePlus Nord, and also in the next video you can expect probably I was going to provide the gaming review on this Nord series. So before ending this video, I have a small request, my dear friends. If you don't mind, please subscribe the channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notification. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. Thanks a lot for your love, support and commitment. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care.